Hi, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I'm at the Hansel and Gretel cottage, and we're going to do a quick tutorial on the television setup that we have here. In order to actually turn this television on and off, it's going to be just a matter of just pushing on the power button that's going to be located right here. It is set for Video 2 to actually be utilized with the CableOne remote. And in order to actually play the DVD player that's up top here, you're going to use the TV input button that's right here, located in the top left. And you're going to go to Video 1. So you're going to continue to scroll through Video 1, and you can see where it says DVD video. You've got the controls for the DVD player that are up here. And then to go back and continue watching CableOne, it's just set to Video 2 right there. And that would be it. So if you want to go through and cycle through, Video 3 does nothing, Color Stream does nothing, 6, and then Video 1. And that is the basics of using the cable here at Hansel and Gretel. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to us in the office. Office number is 208-634-0030. Cheers.